Hi, I'm Noah Michler. I'm the president of Define Designs and DreamWall, and I'm here with Nick, and we're going to talk about our new camera system, CCTV, cloud system, how we're different here at InfoComm 2026. And the main difference is, of course, we have hardware, just like everyone has, but we have the ability to give you very high quality hardware that's NDAA compliant, and we have the ability to have a cloud storage system that enables another revenue stream for dealers and for distributors, and something that is obviously high enough quality that you can use it for residential and commercial. And we have a whole suite of products. So, Nick, did I miss anything there?
I think the main thing that is different with the others is we're offering a very unique, different idea about the cloud backup. So people know backup from the cloud storage. It's about like more coming to residential, like ring, allo kind of business. But that is not so reliable. It's Wi-Fi, it's not hardwired. So we are offering the hardwired product. It's more reliable, but we're also offering another backup from the cloud side.
Yep, that's exactly right. Well, thank you very much for visiting us with us today, and we'll see you in the future.